Hello, welcome to Pebbles Crochet, and today we are just going to see about how to crochet the stole. Okay, a triangular shaped stole. Okay, earlier I have uploaded a video regarding the corner to corner stitch. Okay, granny square. So it is of the same type. So we shall begin. Okay, we'll begin with the slip knot as usual. Okay, it's ready. Now I'm going to do 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, I'm going to connect it in the first chain. Yeah, now the magic ring is ready. So now we are going to now we are going to do a chain of double crochet chain. Okay, I'm gonna do first 3 chains, which itself represents a double crochet. Okay, and 1 extra chain, and then I'll do a double crochet, that is 3 double crochet stitch. So just watch carefully. One double crochet, two double crochet, three double crochet. Okay, and then 1 extra chain, then again 3 more double crochets, one, two, three. Okay, now 1 extra chain, and then here 1 double crochet. That's it. Okay, we have done a magic ring here. Okay, and both sides 1 double crochet with 1 extra chain gap, and then 3 double crochets with 1 extra chain gap in the middle. So this is we are going to increase via this hole. Okay, now this is the triangular shape. Now we are going to turn this side. Okay, yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is 3 itself represents 1 double crochet chain, and then 1 extra chain is for the gap. Okay, and now we are going to do 3 double crochet stitches in this particular gap. 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, done. Next, 1 extra chain, and then going to do a double crochet stitch over in this gap. 1, 2, 3. So now, as I said before, this middle hole is the extending hole. So I am going to one gap, and then do 3 double crochet stitches again on this same hole. Okay, so that this multiple gets increases. 2 and 3. Okay, so if you are a beginner and have a doubt in doing double crochet stitches, I have given a link in the description. Okay, so just be cool and practice it, so you guys will get used to it. Okay, one. So here this extending hole comes here. Okay, and now again one extra chain for the extend, and here you have to do 3 double crochet. One, 2 and 3. Okay, it's done. One extra chain and then one double crochet for the corner segregation. Okay, this and this. Okay, now the second layer is also done, so now again turn this side. Now we are going to do 4 chains as usual. 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then do 3 double crochet stitches in this gap. Now you will get understand about why we are leaving this gap here. 1 2 3. Okay, done. And one extra chain, and here 3 double crochet, and do not confuse it. Keep in mind that you are going to extend it only via this hole and not with the side holes. Okay, so you should not again do an extra chain and then do another 3 double crochet in this hole. You are going to do that step only on this particular extending hole, that is this narrow hole. Okay, so here one extra chain and then going for this extending hole, 3 double crochet, 1 2 3. Sorry, I left it. Okay, and then one extra chain, again 3 double crochet, 1 2 3. Okay, now one extra chain, again you're continuing the same pattern. 1 2 3. Okay, yeah, now again one extra chain, and then in this last hole again 3 double crochet stitch, 1 2 Okay, and then one extra chain, one double crochet for the corner gap. Done. Now we are going to turn this side. Okay, and repeat the same step. Okay, now we are going to repeat the same step. So here I have done another layer. Okay, so like this you have to proceed, and there is no other steps, only this you have to continue until the size that you require for your stole. Okay, and it is not the granny square, so only the ascending, like the increasing order only, so there is no decreasing order for this, so you will not confuse as no as for the granny square. So repeat the same step, and please do not skip that one chain that we used to increase the gap between each and every cluster. So if you skip that one extra chain, so there will be a mismatch in the size and cluster and gap, so that it won't look nice. Okay, this is the easy pattern. You're just going to follow the same pattern through the whole stole, and we can just do this by listening music or watching TV. Okay, all you want is the same pattern throughout the whole stole. Okay, I guess okay, you guys might have watched in my thumbnail, so I have done around 70 chains for that stole. Okay, and also if you use in multicolor, like this, so like this type of multicolor yarns, so your stole will be looking designed and will be in multicolored thing, unlike this simple woolen that I have just shown you how to do it with this simple thread. So better to use the multicolor yarns for your stoles, coats, and all those things. Okay, bye. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and for any doubts please comment the comment box.